Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Polygon Matic. As in my last video, I told you that there is a possible reversal from this very strong support of a rising wedge pattern on the weekly time frame. Right now you can see the price line is still there at the support, and when I shared my previous video, we were at approximately $2. Right now we are at $2.05. Today we had a short rally. You can see yesterday it was at $2.16. Today it was at $2 and approximately 15 cents. Right now it is again dropped at the support. So despite the bearish market, Matic is very firm at this support. And in today's video, we will also analyze, are we going to have a reversal from here, or we are going to break down this support of this rising wedge pattern. And by the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, then you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. First of all, I would like to again recall my previous analysis that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 10th of November, because this move is very well connected with today's idea that I want to share with you. And if you're not following my video, then it will be easy for you to understand my today's analysis. You can see that this was a very big ascending triangle on the weekly time frame. And the price line, after breaking out, it was retesting the previous resistance as a support. Our first target was $2.43 and second target was $2.85. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line after this retest rallied very well, and we had a move up to $2.92, and now the price line is moving down again. Now, if we take a look at the live weekly time frame, then the price line is still testing the previous support of the triangle that I shared with you, along with the support of this big rising wedge pattern. You can see that we have rejection here, 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 and after this breakout, we had retest and we had a move to the upside. Right now, we are again moved down at the same support. So this support is very, very strong and firm, because here we have one is the support of the previous triangle that was previously working as a resistance. Two, we have the support of this rising wedge pattern. And three, we have this red line that is the exponential moving average 21 on the weekly time frame. So these three supports have made this support very, very strong. Therefore, we can expect a price reversal unless we will not have the closing below these supports on the weekly time frame. And if I switch to the daily time frame, let me place a trend line here where we have these three supports, like from here up till here, because the EMA 21 is moving at $1.85 right now. And now if we switch to the daily time frame, then we can see whenever the price line is moving in this area, we are getting reverse. We are having a reversal move, and we are also having a spike of the candlestick that is showing, this spike is showing that bears are really very weak at this area. Therefore, next few hours or days are really very important. We should be looking at this support. And if this support won't be broken down, then we can expect a price reversal. For example, if the price line hits the resistance, then the next move can be approximately at $3.30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.